major interstate here. Gonna try some lapse photography, see what we can do with that, and we'll see how that comes out. It's basically the idea that you keep the shutter open and try to capture a lot of motion. So we'll give it a try and we'll see how it goes. Alright, so I stood out there for a minute or two, snow picked up, and I just needed to look up how to do this because I've never done it before. So I Googled and found some new information about how to dial up the per second capture. I think I got that licked, so let's try it again. Okay, so it got cold outside and I did get what I wanted. Let's take a look at them. Alright, so these are a couple of my first attempts trying to figure out how the camera goes. That one got way exposed because the ISO wasn't right. And you can kind of see me progressing, and I finally started to get a handle on how to keep the shutter open with the per second capture. Is that thunder? It kind of looks like it. I'm here with one of my other boys, Gabriel. Say hello.
Hello.
And this is an experience that I was doing. Gabe actually helped me build the camera rig, which we'll be showing in a different video. But he's pretty familiar with what's going on. So these are a bunch of cars going by, Gabe. And what the camera's doing is it's trying to record them as they fly by. That's why they look like streaks of light. Isn't that cool?
Yeah, why are lasers?
Yeah, kind of like lasers. Yep.
Why they're shooting?
Well, it looks that way, but it's really just kind of a trick of the camera where the camera just keeps recording the same picture as the car goes by, so it looks like a long streak of light. That's how it works. It's called keeping the shutter open. What I'm working on here is not that different from the other walkthrough video. I'm just trying to brighten it up and help us see the picture a little clearer, and then pick a spot that we can focus on for that. So, definitely a learning experience. I am still becoming accustomed to how my camera works. Even though I've read the manual and taken a little bit of training, I'm still trying to understand what the different terms are, because there are many terms. When you make the leap from using an iPhone to a professional camera, there's like an entire Encyclopedia Britannica of what it can do, and it's just very intimidating to figure that out. But one step at a time, right? So. Okay, so we had a small transition there. I am with my other son. This is William. You can say hello too.
Hello.
And this is a picture I took out next to the road. So Gabe and I just went through that. William is just kind of getting his first looks at this. But to, again, describe this, this is
I see car.
Yes. Mm-hmm. Right now I'm changing the focus a little bit. You see how it gets blurry? That means it comes out of focus, and I'm trying to fix that. See how it just got sharper over here?
Why?
Well, because I'm trying to make your eye go to that point. Did it work?
Yeah.
Good. All right. That means the filter's working. Again, this is using paint.net. It's a free tool. Very easy to get used to, especially if you use Photoshop.
Why is that one long?
Well, because the picture was taking a long
longer.
picture. Yeah, that car was going by.
What's longer? Why that light is longer?
Well, because a car was going by when I took the picture. That was part of the experiment here. So, in any case, thank you for watching. This is Photolearningism, where we do explore these things, and I myself am still learning. I'm by no means an expert, but I do have some knowledge and know-how, especially in the DIY area. And it's my hope that we can adventure through these things together and experience them and come to an understanding about how things work and help each other. So I hope this has inspired you some and given you some new perspective. Forward we go. Thanks for watching.
What was his name?